Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauryne if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison video. I'm going to be comparing the new Maybelline foundation that has SPF in it. It's the Dream Urban cover. I'm going to be comparing it to the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. This also has SPF in it. So I wanted to do a comparison on the two, and hopefully if you're deciding between these two foundations, this will help you in your decision making process. So if you want to see how both of these foundations look on me, please keep watching. So I already have a video on the L'Oreal Infallible foundation before, and I really liked it. I'll link it in the cards above right here. But it's funny, like these foundations kind of mirror and like don't mirror each other. Like it's funny, like the comparisons between the two. This foundation has half of the SPF in it but double the shades. This has more SPF in it but less than half of the shades. So this comes in 16 shades and it has SPF of 50, and this comes in 30 shades and has an SPF of 25. So I just wanted to show you guys, what each one looked on my face. I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal on this side of my face and the Maybelline foundation. I think I'm going to start off with the Maybelline because I just did a video on that, and yeah, I just want to give it a final chance to see if I want to take it back or not. I tried it one other time when I went to the movies with my siblings, and they noticed that something was off with the color, especially like when it was compared to my chest. And so I also decided to wear a shirt that showed more of my chest more. I didn't moisturize yet. No! Now I'm gonna take this off and moisturize. I'll be right back. For my moisturizer today, I'm going to be taking the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. If it'll focus. Yeah, it's the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream, and I got this at Sephora. Oh, and I also want to try the new Olay. This isn't new, it's new to me. The Olay Mist, the energizing version. It has vitamin C and bergamot in it. I got it because Jackie has been talking about this for a while, and I finally decided to pick it up. So I've tried this 2 other times before. This is my first time actually filming with this, but I really like it because the mist is really fine. It's very refreshing. So I really like the idea of both of these foundations, like having sunscreen built in them. Like that's really convenient because I know a lot of people, most people I'll say, don't really understand the importance of having a SPF. I know I for sure didn't. So this year I'm trying to be more conscientious in protecting my skin from the sun. I've never filmed a comparison video on my channel before, at least. I mean, I don't think I did. If I have, I'll put that one in the cards as well. This foundation is kind of confusing because it looks fine initially. But see, the finish is nice and natural looking. It gives you a nice glow. So that's this side with one pump. Oh, see, yeah, I can see the line, of course, and there's more warmth on the side that doesn't even have foundation on it now. But we'll get into that later. I want to see how it looks like when everything is applied. So I'm going to take the L'Oreal side and gonna do the same thing, one pump. Probably shouldn't have done a whole pump. but that's just what I'm used to doing. Any extra I'll just wipe off. Alright. So what do you guys think? Can you tell the difference? I can tell the difference. Especially just looking in the viewfinder on my forehead, I can see the line where it's different. I think I look more melanated and, you know, brown and on this side, and I think this one looks a lot more dull, to be to put it mildly. But yeah, I want to put all of my other makeup on to see if it's that much of a difference. I'm not going to use the concealer that I used in the review video that I did on my last video, because that was also too light. I'm just going to use my regular product, so I'm going to speed through that and then I'll be right back. So guys, this is my face all done. What do you think? Can you tell that I'm wearing two different foundations right off the cuff? Like, is it really noticeable? Just a reminder, this is the L'Oreal side and this is the Maybelline side. I think you guys already know my preference, but I'm gonna go around today and ask my family. It's actually my dad's birthday, so I'm going to be going around and asking my family when I see them at dinner if they notice a difference between the two foundations. So and then I'm going to wear it throughout the rest of the day and see if I notice any differences within the formula and how it lasts. So it's currently 3 o'clock right now, so I'll be wearing this well into the night, so you'll get a decent wear test out of them too. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so I'm back and it's 10:30 at night and I left you guys at 3, so it's been like 7.5, almost 8 hours, and this is what my face is looking like. Just a reminder, this is the Maybelline side and this is the L'Oreal side. I wonder if you guys can see the difference. I used the only different thing that I used was the foundation on both sides. So the concealer, bronzer, powder, everything was the same, and this is what my face looks like. I think I want to bring you guys in a little bit more so you can see. I think I have made my mind up about the Maybelline foundation. I don't like it. It makes me feel paranoid throughout the day, or whether or not people think that I look gray or not, especially compared to my chest. It's not the best look, really. The Maybelline one is a more cohesive match, is more warm and everything, and if I'm going to look like something, like if it's not going to be my exact skin tone, I would rather look more red, orange, and fix that than try to fix a gray foundation. I don't know how to fix gray foundation. So but it's a shame because I did like the finish. Like, this is what my face looks like. I haven't blotted or anything. Yeah, this is what my face looks like. It was very skin-like. Both of the foundations, very skin-like, not too matte, not drying or anything. So yeah, I wish, I hope that Maybelline takes this initial launch and takes the feedback and goes back into the lab and tries to alter the shades. Like I said in my previous video, we know they can do it because it fit me. But I think the SPF is what threw them off. Mixing the SPF with the colors probably in the lab probably messed them up. And they also shot themselves in the foot with only having 16 shades. But again, I think it was just to test out to see if people would actually buy it. So they missed the mark there. So I would definitely recommend the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear if you're looking for a foundation that has SPF in it. Now it does have half of the SPF that Maybelline had. It only has 25 SPF, but that's still a good enough number, especially when you should already be using SPF in your regular skincare. Now I will say that I haven't found one that I really like yet, so I'm still shopping around for good SPFs to use in addition to what can be found in makeup. So those are my final thoughts on the two foundation guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you have any other ideas for other product comparisons I should do, please leave them in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!